Hello, Abhishek. Welcome you all on YourPedia panel. And you want to give the snap of computer network for ISRO.
Yes, sir.
Before moving towards the technical subjects, please introduce yourself first.
Hi, sir. This is Abhishek Kundan. I completed my BTech in 2017 from the College of Engineering, and right now I am working in SVI as a system manager system. In SVI as a system manager system, my current role here is like front-end web development, vendor management, application support, and annual closing exercise and UOT exercise, which is the critical part of it of the bank.
You're talking about computer network. Can you define what the computer network is?
Yes, sir. It is the collection of the nodes and the links they are connecting between them.
Okay. So we have mainly two models. One is OSI and one is TCP. Can you first tell me what is the full form of OSI?
Uh, which model, sir?
What is the full form of OSI?
I don't heard the name.
What is the full form of OSI model?
Actually, OSI. Okay, sir. Actually, uh, Open System Interconnection.
Okay. So in TCP/IP protocol, how many number of layers we have?
TCP TCP/IP model. We have four model in TCP/IP.
Four layers in TCP/IP.
Four layers. Sorry, four layers.
What
That
are
is
the
the
what is the responsibility of each and every layer?
okay, sir. OSI model and TCP/IP model are some part of the OSI model are connected, and it is merged into the TCP/IP model. So basically, application layer which is having in TCP/IP model as compared to OSI model, they having application session and presentation layer. So it will do it will collect the data from the application browser, and it will send over the network through the and it is maintaining the session also, and interruption disruption of the data at the application layer in TCP/IP. In network in transport layer, what they will do, uh, like uh, uh, transport layer, they having the port number, they mainly work on the port number. So what they will do, when one application is running on two different systems, suppose that WhatsApp we are running on the one system, and we are sending WhatsApp message to the other system. So suppose that on my system, if WhatsApp is running on port number 1000, and another system WhatsApp is running on port number 2000, then we'll take the IP address of this application, and that combine the port number, which is uniquely identify the which application we are sending the data. So this part are taken care by the transport layer. Coming to the network layer, it uniquely identify the application, which application we are sending the data. Like if having the email services running on my system and another system, so the IP address of that host will take care of the that destination host. Like they are uniquely identifying the host, not application. And coming to the net link layer, which is the TCP/IP model, the lower level of the TCP/IP model. So here we are which data coming from the network layer. What we'll do, uh, we'll do the converting the data into the actual physical when transmitting to the actual physical channel through the IEEE standard, Ethernet, token ring, and token bus we are using, and actual implementation topology and all are decided by the that lower part of the network layer. Sorry, link layer, and it will send in over the destination.
What is distortion?
Distortion, sir, the noise in the signal we called as distortion. Like when we are sending something signal over the physical channel, then some noise occurs, then it will call distortion.
And what happen if noise occur?
Noise is like errors, something like uh, some external interface will come, like some data packet collide between them, then that will come.
So distortion is whenever we are transferring some packet, signal loses its strength. Fine. That is called the distortion due
Okay.
to unwanted signals. Fine. Talking about the bandwidth of a channel, how you can define?
Bandwidth, the maximum allowable speed we can transfer onto the channel. Maximum allowable speed.
Speed or data?
What's it?
Speed or data?
Speed.
Whenever you are transferring some data from sender to receiver, we are facing many delays.
Yes.
Can you tell me what are the different delays?
Yes, sir. We at the sender side, we having the transmission delay. That is the time taken by the source to put the data on the channel. And after that, we having the process propagation delay, the time taken by the data packet is traveling from the source to destination. And after that, we having the intermediate router and all. So then intermediate router, they are taking the packet and forwarding in. Then that store and forward time, it will take like processing delay. And they will also transmit. Then they will take also transmission delay. And
So we have mainly four type of delays as you mentioned. One is transmission delay, propagation delay, queuing delay, and processing delay. Okay. Can you know what is time division multiplexing?
time division multiplexings are when the like we are going to transfer some data on the channel, then we having the different kind of mechanism like time division or frequency division and all. So coming as specific to the time division, it will divide the time in those slot for the different uh, processes, different application or something. Like we have the some slot, and if a host want to transmit the data, they bind the that time key, you have to send in this time only. And the next it's type of round robin for the host. So we are
Within a
dividing.
time period,
Hmm.
a sender can send their data. We
Ah.
are fine. Can you give me the difference between half duplex and full duplex mode?
Uh, yes, sir. Coming to the half duplex, uh, it is the like one both. It is coming like in a half duplex, both side communication happening, but not at the same time. But in the full duplex, it will happen both side communication, but at the same time we can transfer from both the sides. So utilization
We
in
can
like
transmit both the side means like in half duplex also we can transmit both the side.
yeah, both side, but not at the same time.
Okay, very good. Can you just tell me, we have many protocols at the data link layer.
Yes,
How SR protocol works, that is selective repeat protocol.
selective repeat. Yeah, selective repeats are when the like data packets are sending from source to destination, then it will take like if having the n sequence number, then we can send like n packets over the channel. So what happen if some data packet are lost, like we are sending 1 2 3 4 5, suppose that, then third data packet are lost, then what we'll do after that, from third we have to send re again the data. Like here, the bandwidth utilization is more because of resending of those much, and how much window we have to send again that much window of data after losing that data.
Is there any searching and sorting happen in SR protocol?
No, sir, because there is a no need, because we are sending in order packets only. If in selective repeat, we are talking, huh? uh, searching sorting is not it, because we are sending in order packet. If say any packet will get lost, then we have to send re again those packets from that part, like
Are you talking about GBN or SR?
G. Go back and selective repeat. Sorry, sir. Actually, I interpreted wrongly. But I
No.
am explaining. Go back.
Yeah. So talking about TCP and UDP, what are the major difference?
TCP is connection oriented protocol, and UDP is connection less best effort delivery protocol becomes. And
What difference?
protocol TCP are using is TCP are used for STTP, STTPS, which are having the long conversation between source and destination. But UDP are used for short communication, like DNS server. When we are going to the from IP DNS name, we are changing from DNS to IP. Then so for short conversation, we are using UDP.
Can you just tell me if I just talk about the firewall? What is firewall in terms of security?
Firewall is earlier we are using access control list on the router. So what happened in that, the packet are coming into the network, then we are bonding. But firewall, what happened, without entering into our private network, we have the rules on the firewall, and it will protect there the packet, incoming packet, outgoing packet, monitoring of all the packets, which host we are sending, from which application we are sending, all we can block and unblock there. We can define the rules on the firewall.
Yeah. So moving towards the next, like if I just talk about what I can say, the one famous problem that is count to infinity problem. Can you explain it?
Yes, sir, it will come in uh, link a state link a state.
Can you just tell me what is the major concept of count to infinity problem?
Yes, sir. What happened when we are sending data from we are calculating path between source and out something network path on the from how much hope count we can reach to the other station and all. Then what happened when the link is broken between two hosts? Then what happened? We are sending the distance A and B residing into the network, and asking for the what is the destination for some other station like D. Then they will tell it will to to hop far from me. Then it will come to the A. They will it will say to C again B. B and C, it long conversation happen. It to hop far three, hop far, and like that, and the link is actually broken. So what happened? We are giving our information I how much distance I away from you. Then what happened in that? Restricting a count to infinity problem, we have to restrict our information, we don't have to send our information I am much away from you and something. So
Well,
we are giving all part of info, expect our info.
fine. So moving towards the feedback part, Abhishek. Now I conclude your feedback like you know the concept. That is good thing. But the way you are delivering the answer is not the appropriate. How? always what you are trying to do is, instead of just defining the problem statement or just defining the answer of that problem, you are always taking some example
Yes.
and then you are trying to explain your answer. Instead, what you have to do is, suppose I am saying what is firewall. So you just know what the firewall is. You just explain it within a formal definitions. In a similar way, if I ask you what is count to infinity problem, then again you have to mention the definition of count to infinity problem. What the in count to infinity problem is. But what you are trying to do is every time you are just taking some examples and try to explain me. You just analyze the mind of the interviewer. He is not there to understand whatever you are explaining in like we have one node, we have two node. He is not in a situation to visualize whatever you are trying to say. Fine. So
Yes,
for
sir.
that, what you have to do is kindly, kindly go with the standard books, and then please follow some proper definitions. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Other than that, you know the concept, that is a good sign. Fine. And the way you are delivering the answer, yes, keep revising, keep practicing, and you will get to like you will automatically be improved. Don't worry about that one.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Take it in a positive way and keep working, keep working. Fine. Work hard. Fine.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, इनको आप बच्चे क्या करो, किसी स्टैंडर्ड बुक से जो भी स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है, स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस है ना, उनको एक बार उनके पढ़ लो आंसर्स को, so that you are in a position to give the answer in a proper aligned way. ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ओके, अदर देन
I
दैट
will
जो
stick to
आपने
the
बताया है
definition.
लगभग सही बताया है, एक जगह कंफ्यूज हो गए थे. इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द आंसर एज एस आर, यू आर ट्राइंग टू गिव द आंसर इज एस जी बी एन. ओके, उस चीज को इम्प्रूव करना थोड़ा सा.
Okay, sir. I will stick on to the definition.
या प्लीज. श्योर.
Okay.
एक
Thank you.
ओके. ओके.